Chapter: Remote Access VPN. What is Remote Access VPN? Remote Access VPN is type of VPN which allows us to access computer network resources, both small-scale or corporate, by means of special access. Component of Remote Access VPN. Client software. To connect when a user wants to use a private server network. Network access server. To authenticate when the user will use a private server network. Method of Remote Access VPN. 1. IP security. Protocol for securing Internet Protocol (IP) communications with authentication and encryption. Any IP packets from a session communication. How it works of the IP security. The client requires the software used to log in. If successful login, then the client will connect to the server. Service from IP security. That is, data confidentiality, data integrity, data origin authentication, and anti-replay. Data confidentiality. The data sender can encrypt the data packet before the data is transmitted. Data integrity. The receiver can authenticate packets sent by the sender to ensure that data is not hacked during transmission. Data origin authentication. The receiver can authenticate the origin of the transmitted IPSEC packet. Anti-replay. The receiver can detect and reject the packet that has been hacked. 2. Secure socket layer. Secure socket layer is a data security protocol that creates an encrypted link between the web server and the browser to maintain data transmission. How it works of the secure socket layer. The client accesses to the server with the web browser via HTTPS, and the router will identify. If the client is registered, then the server can be accessed by the client. Secure socket layer has two types of access, that is, clientless and full access. Clientless does not require additional special software on the desktop user to access the resource. Full access. There is a special software that is used to access the entire available resources. Advantage of Remote Access VPN. Provide secure communication. Can increase the productivity of a business. Reduce costs. Increase flexibility. And the last is the conclusion. Here's the conclusion. Remote Access VPN can be used to control PC remotely using VPN. Remote Access VPN can use IP security method. Remote Access VPN can use secure socket layer method.
Sekian dan terima kasih. Dibuat oleh Lian, Cahyo, Wijaya, Nur Kholid, Oki Winarto, Muchammad, Cahyo, Nugroho.